Afternoon po sa inyong lahat. Let us thank the Lord for gathering us once again in this beautiful Tuesday afternoon as we continue our journey, and we are now on the 19th week in Ordinary Time, Tuesday. And I'm sure that this is not the first time we heard this gospel passage where the disciples of our Lord asked Him, who is the greatest in the kingdom of heaven? And He called over a child to explain who is the greatest in the eyes of God, and those deserve to be part of His kingdom. My dear brothers and sisters, I have heard so many times the expression, para ka namang bata. Ano po? Marami nating best naririnig ang expression na yan, para ka namang bata. You are like a child. But is it not that what Jesus is calling us in today's gospel, for us to become like a little child? But before dwelling on this question, we have to clarify and define this expression, para ka namang bata. Two words will help us understand childish and childlike. Childish is about behaving like a child, even if you are already an adult. Insisting on not doing something or not listening to what parents are trying to convey to you. Being childlike describes the positive trait of a child. One who is simple, humble, easy to please, and not complicated. That is why a child is an epitome of innocence, a rare commodity in this cynical age. It is interesting that Jesus links being childlike with forgiveness. Is being childlike a requirement for forgiveness? I believe so. Forgiveness demands that one be childlike. In other words, be trustful and unsuspicious. To forgive one another means to risk everything just to be reconciled with one another. It requires trust. Forgiveness is the childlike attitude of God. And God does not look only at the past, but considers more the present, just like a child does. Thus, forgiveness is a grace from God. We are just God's instrument in spreading God's grace. My dear brothers and sisters, let us be little children, and let us be God-like. For us to become great in the eyes not only of God, but in the eyes of everyone, let us struggle to be childlike. And we will be part and deserve to be God's co-heirs of His kingdom.